Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will do fill in the blanks of class 8 history chapter 1 how, when and where. So let's start. First question is, due to arrival of people from Central Asia, new dash dash and dash forms introduced in India. Answer is ideas, customs and art forms. Next question is, in 18th century, India became dash of the British. Answer is colony. Next question is, when a country is ruled by some other and more powerful country, it leads to many political, economic, social and cultural changes in the former country. This is called answer is colonization. This is called colonization. Next question is, the map of dash was the first proper geological map made in India. Answer is Hyderabad. Next question is, large quantity of gold or silver called before coining exchange the things with gold and silver. The process is called bullion. Next question is, dash divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British period. Answer is James Mill. James Mill divided Indian history into Hindu, Muslim and British. Next question is, the National Archives of India is located in where National Archives of India is located? Answer is in New Delhi. Next question is, dash asked Rennel to produce map of Hindustan. Who asked Rennel to produce map of Hindustan? Answer is Robert Clive.